Hey, what's up guys? I'm Piyush Kumar from Red Scorpions. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve Rubik's Cube by following only 5 moves that I have provided in the description below. This is an algorithm to solve the Rubik's Cube. First of all, take a solved cube and scramble it by the algorithm below. And remember about the orientation of the cube that you are holding now. By following this algorithm, you can solve the Rubik's Cube in only 5 seconds. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit a like. I will soon upload a new video of how to solve Rubik's Cube from first layer to last layer, the method which is used by the Felix Zemdegs, the man who can solve the Rubik's Cube in only 4.73 seconds. So thanks for watching my video.